Ready to fund your Bybit account and dive into the world of crypto trading? This quick guide will show you how to deposit funds with ease. Start by tapping the Assets button at the bottom right of your screen. This takes you to your wallet overview. Next, locate and select the Deposit button. It's your gateway to adding funds to your account. Choose Fiat Deposit to transfer traditional currency from your bank. Select your preferred fiat currency. Ensure it matches the currency of your bank account to avoid unnecessary exchange fees. Choose Bank Transfer to deposit directly from your bank account. Carefully enter your bank account details, account holder name, bank name, account number, and SWIFT (BIC) code. Accuracy is key, so double-check everything. Once you've reviewed all the information, tap Confirm. You might need to complete a verification step via SMS or email for added security. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Congratulations, your bank account is now linked to Bybit. You're ready to deposit funds and start trading.